Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video, I will gonna share a honest review with you guys about this Moomoo trading app. Moomoo is a commission-free trading app and it basically allows access to USA, Hong Kong and China. Powerful research tool like smart trading features and real-time market. Here if we go and if we compare its feature with other trading app to find out which trading app is more advanced and doing best in this time. Let's first talk about the market access feature. Moomoo trading app allows access to USA, Hong Kong and China A shares. If we talk about the Robinhood, it only allows access in the USA and Webull also allows access only in the USA. If we talk about commission-free trading, Moomoo trading app allows commission-free trading on the USA stocks, ETFs and options. While Robinhood, Webull and E-Trade also offer commission-free trading. If we talk about the level 2 market data, Moomoo offers free access to market data, while the Robinhood allows limited access to market data and it allows full access in the premium option only, which is basically Robinhood Gold. And if we talk about the Webull, in the Webull for accessing this level 2 market data, you have to buy their subscription plans. If we talk about the charting and technical tools, Moomoo trading app allows 60 plus indicators and advanced multi-screen charts, while the Robinhood allows very basic charts and trading tools, and the Webull offer good but less comprehensive than the Moomoo. If we talk about the paper trading, basically a practice account, Moomoo and Webull offer practice accounts, while the Robinhood and E-Trade don't offer any practice account. Here now we have AI power insight and smart alerts. Moomoo offer these AI power insights and smart alerts like risk analysis, portfolio monitoring and smart alerts, while the Robinhood don't offer any such things. And if we talk about the Webull offer alerts but only basic alerts, not smart alerts even. Here if we talk about the user interface, Moomoo offer professional grade yet user friendly interface, while the Robinhood offers simple and beginner friendly interface. Webull offer modern but slightly complex for beginner interface. So basically you have seen your own self that Moomoo stand out as a powerhouse platform for serious investors, combining zero commission, global market access, professional tools and AI-driven insight, all in a free and sleek mobile app. Whereas others focus on simplicity or charge for pro features, Moomoo brings Wall Street level capabilities to your pocket for free. If you are looking for more than just buying and selling and want to truly understand and control your investments, then Moomoo is a smart choice for you. Now here I will gonna read the reviews of different people for you guys. So here you can see first one, check it out. Here you also have one more, get with Moomoo. I opened my Moomoo account not knowing anything about trading, and to tell you the truth, I would become confused when looking at the charts. I don't think I would be able to understand, but I'm still learning and I enjoy Moomoo. They provide many beginner-friendly articles, tips and videos. You can see that how satisfied these people are. Great app. I love using Moomoo for several years. Here you have one more. Happy with Moomoo. No one's care about your investment, but Moomoo does. Here you also have great app and many more reviews. You can see here how much satisfied people are with this Moomoo trading app. I highly recommend you this app. You should give it a try. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.